Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Justin Marshall. Over the past quite a while actually, I've been trying to work on a Quake 4 Doom 3 code integration merge. And this is kind of the start of that project, kind of where that's at the moment. So I'm going to show quite a few levels. To kind of reiterate, I took the Doom 3 open source bits. I've had quite a few projects and I've done quite a bit of this work in different versions of the stuff I've been working on. But so basically I took the Doom 3 open source code, took the Quake 4 SDK code, merged it together, took quite a few bits of work I've done on other projects, and kind of aided in this effort. So right now, uh, I'm going to load into a couple maps. The game is very crashy. That's not necessarily because of the integration, but because we are using the Raven memory manager. Uh, they did quite a bit of things to deal with some of the memory issues they had. So I have to refactor some work. So basically, the game works in terms of is it functional, does the AI work, stuff like that. The particles are missing, as you can see, because Raven made a custom particle engine that's quite involved to get sort of recreated from scratch. It's quite a bit of work. So there's some odds and ends kind of material stuff that isn't quite there yet. Um, so like everything works. You can even see the lip sync stuff is working. So they used Anisoft for the lip sync stuff, but that's not needed for the runtime. That's only needed for the bake. So getting that working was pretty easy. Not sure why the audio is not playing. I'm not sure exactly how they hook things up, so that'll be one of the things I need to take a look at as well. But the visuals look about on par, I think. So right now there is a crash there, just to show that I'm not doing anything. Magic, you can pull the code down from my GitHub, but you know, so I can walk through the call stacks again. This is a heavily modified version of Doom 3 that can run with the Quake 4 SDK code. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to load into the map after this. I believe this is Air Defense 2, I believe. Let's wait for this to load. So as you can see, the game, I'm walking through a single player match right now until that crashes. So there's definitely a lot of work to do. Seems to be only the single player maps that are crashing. Because if I load into a multiplayer match, or not a multiplayer match, but a multiplayer level, able to shoot around pretty well. So it looks like there's just some bugs with the collision system left. I'm not using their collision files. They added some bits in there. The game seems to work if you let it just regenerate the version 1.0 collision files. So as you can see, the weapons fire here. So anyway, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.